The COVID-19 pandemic continues to have a significant financial impact on many of our council tenants. Furlough, redundancy, reduced incomes, and self-isolation due to COVID have seen lots of our tenants take a financial hit over the last year. If a tenant is struggling with financial problems, this can pose a real threat to their tenancy, as they will not be able to pay their rent and arrears will build up. The Council is committed to supporting all of our tenants to sustain their tenancies when they are facing difficult times, and one of the ways we do this is through our Tenancy Sustainment Fund. The Tenancy Sustainment Fund allows us to help tenants where it has been identified they are experiencing financial hardship and either have arrears or are struggling to meet their rent payments. In the last year, over £208,000 has been paid out or committed to tenants through the Tenancy Sustainment Fund to help them with rent payments. Without this help, many of our tenants would have struggled to maintain their tenancy and faced homelessness. Money is available through the Tenancy Sustainment Fund, so if you're working with a tenant who might benefit, please think about getting them an application for funding. Applications can be made for funding of up to £1,500. However, higher payments can be considered in exceptional circumstances. A referral can be made to a welfare rights team to ensure the tenant is in receipt of all benefits they are entitled to, maximizing their income and the opportunity to pay their rent and rent arrears. Once it has been confirmed that a tenant is not entitled to any additional benefit or that financial hardship will continue, an application to the Tenancy Sustainment Fund can be submitted for consideration to Brenda Tonner, our Income Maximization Team Leader. Application to the Tenancy Sustainment Fund can be made by housing assistants, housing officers, revenue assistants, support officers, and by our welfare rights officer on behalf of a tenant by filling in a simple form. If you would like any further information on the Tenancy Sustainment Fund and how it works, please contact Brenda Tonner at btonner@pkc.gov.uk.